Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I solder. I got a couple of these broken lights from my office and I'm going to try and fix them today with some simple soldering. So by soldering, we're fusing two conductors together to close a circuit. So for example, in these lights, you have a positive and a negative connection. And if one of those connections gets broken, the light will not turn on. So we're going to start by disassembling them and inspecting the connections. So I'm going to just disassemble this by removing this cap. Removing the diffuser. And here you can see all the LEDs that are inside. If you look closely, you can see that some of these solder points are disconnected. This is my soldering iron. It's the Weller WLC 100 series. This is my 6040 clear flux solder. This is a solder remover. It works like a vacuum. You press this button down here, and then when you press this button here, it acts like a vacuum and sucks all the solder inside through the tip here. This is the No Clean flux dispensing pen. And what it does is it cleans off the area that you're trying to solder so that the solder can adhere properly. So I'm going to start by cleaning off the area that I'm going to be working with. Now that the area is prepped, I can begin soldering. The first thing I'm going to do is try and use the already existing solder to connect these two joints. I'm going to take this small flat soldering iron tip to try and get into this compact space. So it doesn't look like there's a lot of solder on there. So what I'm going to do now is try and add some of my 6040 clear flux solder. So it looks like we have good contact now, and we can test this out in just a few seconds, giving it some time to cool. So it seems like we fixed this contact point, but I've also noticed that this side contact point is also broken. Now, if you look from the side here, you can see that there's now a connection between the prom and the power plug. So we'll set this one off to the side and let it cool for a little bit while we start working on the next one. enjoyed. If you guys have anything you would like to see me do or like to learn,